this here. I shall take this off with this sweet. You can take yours off too.
Ito na kasi yung bonggang frog.
You know, when Sir Louie and I, we sing together. There's always something that comes with it. Ang mga Bisaya, makikay mo inom, di ba? Ilita pala hubog, ilita mahubog. Makikay mo inom, di ba? So, siguro na this song.
Sir Martin.
Come on, Italian sea.
Dala ka ito mamaya. Dala ka ito mamaya. Marami pa.
Should pour a little cup of tea, Sir Louie.
Seems like.
So Louie, before we start this off, jeez. Let's go now. It's a good. Cheers! Nasa mga cobra! Urang ang cobra ka? Sus! Ito yun! You know, Sir Louie, when we were reminiscing about this concert and we were discussing on what to do, what songs to do and everything, I wanted all these, shall we say, old songs.
Naman po.
Classic.
Classic. Sounds better.
I wanted them all classic songs. And Direk Roel Santiago, my brilliant director, give it up for Direk Roel Santiago. He said, ano ba yan? Huwag na mag-show sa mga naman, mag-bar show na yan dahil lahat ng alumang kanta. Pero hindi, Direk. Ang mga Cebuanos, they like the romantic, slow songs. That's why we don't have to look for a girlfriend for Direk Roel. You guys know Direk Roel Santiago, di ba? May mga single niya ba siya, ha? Ha? Atong bata pa ko, hindi ko ba kumanta kasi zero. A few years ago, 10 years ago, I met this person changed my life. More than 10 years ago, relax. She changed my life. She was like my second mom. She made me start doing voice lessons. You go, voice lessons? And I did. I went to voice lessons every single day. Tiniyabagan ako. Pero tira ko rin ako. Pag ayaw na. Voice lessons. Tapos si mama na po, nas patay sa karaoke, sige, kanta. Pagin sa tono. All those songs are all old songs. Francis, I'll wait for you to leave. Let's wait for them to leave. He owns an F bar. Have you guys been to an F bar? You guys know F bar? See what's written there. It's nice. F bar. And Bridges Salon. It's right there. No, but Mama used to sing all these old songs. It's weird. After all these years, I don't know those songs. And I dedicated this song. I dedicate this song to my grandmother. Sino na dedicate sa mga? Lola, Bella. Para sa iyong money. Okay? Give it up for my grandma, everybody. I love you, Lola.
Lola.
What else? Every time you are near,
you walk by, just like me, they all see close to is why all the voices girls follow you all close to me. Sing to go. Sing. The louder, come on. Love you, Lola. Hold on, Superboy. Play the piano again. Let's have another class. What's your Tagalog Bisaya?